If you're seeing an Epic Games error during checkout, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue usually happens because of a weak internet connection, a launcher glitch, a payment method problem, VPN interference, or even a temporary server-side issue. So if your purchase is failing, getting stuck, or not going through properly, follow these steps exactly, and you should be able to get back to checkout smoothly. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, check your internet connection. A bad or unstable connection can interrupt the payment process and cause Epic Games to throw an error during checkout. Try restarting your Wi-Fi, switching to another network if possible, or using a more stable connection before attempting the purchase again. Next, restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Close it all the way, make sure it's not running in the background, and then reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches that may be affecting the checkout page. After that, go to your payment settings and remove your payment method, then add it back again. Sometimes the issue is caused by a card or payment profile that didn't load correctly, and re-adding it can refresh the checkout data. If that still doesn't work, try a different payment method altogether. For example, if one card is failing, you can test another card or another supported payment option to see if the problem is specific to that payment source. Another important step is to turn your VPN off if you're using one. Epic Games may block or flag checkout activity when your location looks inconsistent, and a VPN can trigger payment verification problems. Disabling the VPN often fixes checkout errors right away. If you've done all of that and the error still appears, the issue may simply be on Epic Games' side. In that case, wait a little while and try again later, because server problems can temporarily break checkout for everyone, not just you. The key is to test each fix one by one so you can figure out whether the problem is your connection, your payment setup, or Epic's servers. Once the checkout finally works, you should be able to complete your purchase without any extra steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next troubleshooting guide for more Epic Games fixes.